Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually set up a Shopify account and actually benefit from dropshipping on Shopify. Now, obviously, there are so many individuals right now that are looking at doing dropshipping in this industry, but what strategy that you need to have and how you need to implement and execute that strategy is what you need to know, and that is what we focus on in our video. So if you haven't checked our videos out, go ahead, check our channel out. There's so many videos available that can benefit you massively if you're thinking about starting a dropshipping business on Shopify, the global commerce platform, guys, where you can build your business with Shopify. You can sell online, you can sell offline, and everywhere in between. And the beauty of the fact is that there are millions of entrepreneurs that have chosen Shopify to build their businesses, meaning there's millions of opportunities to learn from the advantages and disadvantages, the problems and the issues, and obviously what they did right and what they did wrong. And we have gone and done great research into these entrepreneurs and figured out exactly what they did right to become millionaires and what they did wrong to lose millions as well. So if you stick around to the end, you will also learn about the mistakes and the elements that they did right to become successful dropshippers. With 170 countries being represented, with a 10% of the total US e-commerce websites and $444 billion of global economic activities, you can also benefit from all of these elements with Shopify.com and build a store your way. And you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creators. There's no coding expertise required at all, and you can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you would need to get your product in front of customers, and obviously with the best converting checkout on the planet and flexible point of sales to power your retail stores, you won't need to worry about anything at all. You can reach new leads, engage with customers, and the data that you can gain, you can build upon it. And obviously in today's time and age, data is everything. Data mining gives you the proper information and the proper analytics to ensure that you can develop strategies that are effective for your store. You can oversee your operation, fulfill every single order, and manage your money where you make it. That is the beauty of it, and one of the major reasons why I personally always recommend any individual that wants to start their journey to the dropshipping niche is to start with Shopify, because the help that you need and when you need it is available with Shopify. They have blogs, online courses, a community, and a help center. So anything that you need to know, from getting all the marketing and business strategy tips, you can easily get from the blogs. You can learn tried and tested business tip with instant access to lessons from successful entrepreneurs with the online courses available on Shopify. You can connect with a community of brands, partners, and fellow merchants who understand Shopify in the community. And you can find answers with dedicated help desk resource full of articles and videos from the support team at the help center. And all you need to do is click on start the free trial, and once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page. Over here, you'll need to answer two basic questions. Are you starting from scratch, or are you already selling online or as a person? We're going to go with the fact that we're just starting off and we have no information whatsoever. Then they ask the question, where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing blog or website, social media, online marketplaces, in person, or you're not sure? We're going to go with the online store, where we can create a fully customizable website. And after selecting that, we would have to select the name. And this is one of the most important parts, guys, because you got to understand that you need to select the right name that will ensure that you have the right information to make and get that element right. And obviously the store name is one of those things that really stands out, because anyone that comes to your store, the first thing that they will look at is your store name. So make sure that you select the name that really has that element, that gives the right element and description and characteristics of your store. Once you have selected that, you can go to the next bit. And obviously on the next bit, you have to select what country you want to work from. And obviously after selecting country, just select next, and then you can sign up with your email, with your Apple ID, with your Facebook, or continue with Google. We're going to continue with Google. As we click on continue with Google, you'll be able to take and go directly to your store. So let's go ahead and check out what the store is going to look like, what our dashboard is going to look like. It's going to be very easy, very simple, and very straightforward, guys, to do and build all these elements. This is what our dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, we'll have home, orders, product, customers, analytics, marketing and discounts, and our online stores. On the main element, we have all the setup guides that is available, but we're going to pick a plan right now where we can enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1. And obviously, if you do not have a Shopify account, click in the description below and get Shopify for 90 days. Now, there's 3 elements that you can actually benefit from the basic, the Shopify, and the advanced. If you go for the yearly, you'll save 10%. For 2 years, you'll save 20%. And for 3 years, you'll save 25%. Because right now we have an opportunity of getting this particular plan for $1 for the first 3 months, and everything that you need to create a store, ship products, and process payments is available with a transaction fee of 2% and a currency conversion fee of 2%. The features is that you have 2 staff members and you have up to 4 locations, meaning you can sell in 4 different places. You can sell in Australia, in New Zealand, in South Africa, in the US, and in the UK. And obviously for every single location, you have an audience that you can actually make a lot of money from. Then you have your Shopify, which is for $49, and the payment transaction fee is 1%, and the currency conversion is 2%. You get 5 staff members and up to 5 locations and professional reports. But if you go to advanced for $299, you get a 0.5% transaction fee, 2% conversion fee, and a 0.85% on duties and import taxes. And the best thing is that you get 15 staff members, up to 8 location, professional reports, advanced report builder, international pricing with duties and import taxes as well. And you have shipping options as well. But you can always start with a starter for $1 for the first 3 months with a 5% transaction fee for all payment providers with 1 user and shareable product pages. And you have all the plans would include the unlimited products, 24/7 support, fraud analysis, and also abandoned card recovery, gift cards, and sell in over 133 countries with 3 SSL certificates. So once we click choose this plan, what happens is we'll go to the next element over here where we would need to go through all this information from what we need to keep and what we need to lose. And once we understand it, all we need to do is click on understand and accept the changes to my account and click on next. And as we confirm it, we'll be taken to the next page. On this page, we'll be having the billing cycle where we have to choose this for 3 years, 2 years, or 1 year, or the monthly of the first 3 months. As you can see on the right side, this is the Shopify starter plan for $1 to be taxed every 30 days. And we're going to be charged $1 from the 31st of August when our trial ends. And starting on March 31st, you'll be charged $5 plus tax every 30 months. And the details are available over here. We need to confirm our billing cycles, add our address, and add our payment methods. If you click on the payment methods, you can pay by credit card or by PayPal, guys. It's very simple, it's very easy, and there's nothing to it. And at the end of the day, once you establish your dropshipping business, you can get the financial freedom that you always wanted, where you can break away from the 9 to 5 and sit back and relax and see your money grow, see your passive income grow, and see your financial freedom come into light. And because at the end of the day, we live in a time and age where we need to understand the basic elements when we're using the internet, because we have to make sure that we have more than one income to ensure that we can live a life that is financially independent and we do not have to rely onto a 9 to 5, and we can grow because there's millions of merchants right now that are taking this opportunity. And that is the reason why we are bringing these amazing elements and these amazing strategies to you, so to make use of it. And if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and assist you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how to get 3 months for $1 on Shopify.com. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.